It happens in less than a second. A flash, a crack, and 300 million volts hit your body. The air around you heats to 30,000 degrees Celsius, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Your skin doesn't burn first, it explodes. The moisture under your flesh instantly vaporizes, tearing tissue apart. Your muscles lock, your lungs spasm, and your heart stops mid-beat. If you survive the first second, your nerves are fried. You can't move, you can't see, you smell ozone and burnt hair. The electricity travels through your body, seeking the ground, carving fractal scars across your skin. The Lichtenberg figures? Doctors call them beautiful. You call them pain. Within minutes, the shock damages your organs, your memory, your hearing. Some survivors live, most don't. The human body isn't made to channel the sky.